Today we're going to bring this hummingbird feeder. Now this is a great little feeder. They include the actual hook with it. They give you a rope too, optional. Another thing is you can actually seal it, fill it up. It's perfect in the daylight. It tells you exactly how much liquid we have in there. We have to fill. So we just filled this up, and there's a hummingbird there, but he's a little shy, trying to get some of the nectarine that we set up in here. And if you guys can see, I like that they decorated with flowers, and it does drain a little bit. You guys can see it. I'm gonna drain it out a little bit so you can see it. So right now you can see the line here, how much liquid we have. So this is we filled it up to the top, but you can actually see it through. Beautiful design. You guys can see that. It looks like more like colorful flowers. So easy to set up. I set up out here on my hook. It's on the hook. It's on the garden. They feed when they want to. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.